Right. So the use case that we have for using Ripple at Westpac in Australia is for low-value payments being sent overseas. So we have lots and lots of immigrants to Australia, foreign workers that come and send money back home to their friends and family. In fact, the World Bank estimates that there's $20 billion a year going out of Australia. And today, when people send money back to their families, they tend to send small amounts of money. And that costs $25 to $35 to send, high exchange rates, high foreign exchange rates, and then they might get $25 or $35 lifting fee on the other end. So that's not a great experience for them, and it also takes a long time, so they're not certain about their money being given to their families. So our use case was really about being able to send payments faster and at a lower cost than you can do today. The specific problem that we're trying to solve is still around those low-value payments, and today we actually don't participate in that market. We find that migrants come into Australia, they know about the Westpac brand, they open an account with Westpac, they'll send one payment overseas and we'll see that, and then we'll never see those payments again. So we're not really participating in this market today, and if we can find a better way to enable those low-value payments to be sent overseas, then we've got a whole market that we can address that we're not today. So trying to build a business case internally is probably not going to be very simple initially. Part of this is around creating a better experience for your customers and actually improving on some of the things that we can do today, but part of it is about learning about the new technology. And the real benefit you get out of that is not just the technology itself, but all the things that surround it. So some are saying, well, let's be a fast follower. Yes, you can jump on the technology quickly after it's up and running, but the real advantage you get for being a first mover is that you take your stakeholders on the journey with you. So whether that's compliance or risk or security or IT or architecture, that's an 18-month journey to take everybody through that and help them understand what blockchain and distributed ledgers are about and to get them across the technology and the whole business model around it. Yeah, so the initial results that we're able to share come from a proof of concept that we did actually quite a while ago. It was in the middle of 2015. And we set up a proof of concept to send payments from our Westpac staff in Australia to anyone. This is anyone who has a bank account in Fiji or New Zealand. So these were live payments going between real people, real Australian dollars going into Fiji dollars and New Zealand dollars. And even though we had some manual processes involved in the proof of concept, the payments landed in the bank accounts the next day. So people had certainty about the amount that was being sent. It was being done faster, and it was at a much lower cost. So we proved our proof points, and it was very exciting. It was very valuable, and everybody who used it wanted to see us continue. But it was a proof of concept, so we shut it down. But they're looking forward to some live production solutions that we can provide to them.